Tasir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy. Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today we will explain about the disease male weakness, its causes, its symptoms and way of treatment. That Tasir Dawakhana is offering for cure this disease, which name is Tasir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy. By using this course, you can increase your penis up to 1 inch. The way to go more stamina in the bedroom, sometimes reach for male enhancement therapy. This is a common complaint among all men, especially while it creeps upon us. That size of your penis is not wide enough and your erection strength might not always be what you want it to be. Sometimes your body won't force enough blood into your penis and you will be left with a weak erection. That's why your penis size not increase. It's basically a semi-flaccid erection and might not be strong enough for sexual intercourse. You need a certain degree of hardness. For penetration, men's weakness is very common nowadays. Every third person suffers from this disease, especially young people are affected by this disease. There can be many causes of male weakness. Watching dirty videos, dirty stories and relationship with underage women create a strong desire for intercourse. A male weakness is caused by insufficient blood flow to the penile sponge-like tissues. When the penis does not get a high enough level of blood flow, the penis cannot expand fully. Also, if the sponge tissues cannot hold the blood, this also restrains the penis from growing to its full size. A sexual problem or sexual dysfunction refers to a problem during any phase of the sexual response cycle that prevents the man of couple from experiencing satisfaction from the activity. If a man is not married, then he works with masturbation and gradually his nasty habit. This habit weakens the man's sexual power and makes the person unable to do intercourse properly and he afraid the unable to do sexual intercourse properly and he afraid to the name of marriage. But unfortunately in our society there are various fake methods and surgeries are being used for increase the length of the penis, which is only timely treatment. After that the penis returns to its original state and the patient receives nothing but remorse. Other methods such as surgery later cause a variety of infections that can cause a person to suffer from other major disease. Now you can increase your penis size as you want. Tasir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is not only increase the size and width of your penis but also holds many other benefits, including the ability to hold more blood and increased blood circulation, resulting in stronger erection and sexual performance. After just a few short weeks of using this therapy, you will notice the effects of increased circulation and your penis hanging. Penis hanging noticeably lower. Tasir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy also promote proper nerve and tissue health and will actually increase sensation and feelings to the penis, resulting in rock hard erection anytime you wish. Regular exercising of the penis will also develop a very muscular look, surely standing out from the average penis in the locker room. The main benefit of Tasir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy, it produces permanent results. When you use Tasir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy, then cells in the penis are being constantly stretched and held in the larger state. All of medicine that have been added in this penis enlargement therapy are simple but expensive to perform, safe and do not cause any pain. In fact, they are actually quite pleasant. This therapy have no any side effect, no pumps and definitely no surgery, just pure natural herbal medicines. It also holds many other benefits, including the ability to hold more blood and increased blood circulation, resulting in stronger erection and performance. After just a few short weeks of using this therapy, you will notice the effects of increasing circulation and your penis hanging noticeably lower. Penis enlargement therapy also promote proper nerve and tissue health and will actually increase sensation and feeling to the penis, resulting in the rock hard erection anytime you wish. This therapy comes in different forms that help men struggling with a healthy male life. Choosing male enhancement Tasir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is our number one recommendation. It takes the pride of place because of its performance and positive results. We manufacturers come up with a unique product combining efficacy with safety. We have had a stream of happy customers writing to me with their success stories. It gives me a high to note that the rate of success with this penis enlargement therapy is an astounding 98%. Viewers, by using Tasir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy, you can also cure these penis diseases. Other type of penis problem: infection in penis, loose penis, thin penis, bumpy penis, curvature penis, small penis, muscular fracture in penis, bent penis, weak from root, ringing in middle of penis, paralyzed penis. This course is an valuable gift for all these gentlemen who want to increase their manly strength and energy. It is a unique product made from the world's most erotic herbs to enhance stamina, pleasure, confidence and strength of a man. It contains heat and energy generating herbs which increases blood circulation in the tissues of the penis that helps to increase the size of the penis, adds to it erectile strength and gives strength to whole body. Tassir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Tassir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Tassir Pharma Private Limited. Regain and maintain your most intense primal sexual urges. Increase your testosterone level, increase your semen and ejaculatory power, promote fertility, improve your blood circulation, gain in length, size and weight of your penis and testicles, improve your sexual nervous system, treat male impotence, prolong erection interruption and after ejaculation, boost your sexual energy levels, balance your hormones level, spark your existing sexual relationship, create deep sexual satisfaction of your partner. Fast acting, no side effects. Tassir Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Tassir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy by Tassir Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbs and free from any side effect. Doctor and scientist of our institute, Tassir Dawakhana, worked under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Tassir, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Tassir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. It is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Tassir Pharma Private Limited. After searching various natural herbs in the light of the essence of ancient and modern medical research and his long medical observation, discovered the safe and effective method of effective Tassir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy and complete cure for restoration or mental and physical strength. Rely on natural remedies because that's the only cure which does not have any side effect. Avoid hot items and drugs altogether. Light exercise and walking are helpful. Avoid pornographic ideas, pornographic literature and movies. Avoid fast food. Avoid all spicy foods and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. So viewers, if you or your known person has male weakness problem and then come to Tassir Dawakhana and use Tassir Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy, which will cure all penis disease and male weakness problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah.